Okay. Very good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
First of all, happy Women's Day to all leading ladies, right?
Same to you.
So, right. Our today's session is about let's celebrate the contribute our success, our moments, right? Most in professional life. You must look after our tagline of our today's session, leading business with excellence. इसको एक लाइन में हमने नीचे भी एक डिटेल किया हुआ है एक्सीलेंस प्रैक्टिसेस आर गॉड गिफ्ट टू वुमन राइट बेसिकली वी आर अ मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम कंसल्टिंग फर्म राइट जहाँ पे वेरियस आईएसओ स्टैंडर्ड्स है जापानीज टूल्स है हम इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं जब भी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हमारा चलता है ये डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पार्ट है फिजिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हाउसकीपिंग इसको अगर देखा जाए तो बाय डिफॉल्ट अगर मैं इसको कनेक्ट करूँ वुमन लाइफ के साथ राइट तो ये जो हम अभी सीख रहे हैं वो कई सालों से वो ऑलरेडी प्रैक्टिस कर चुकी है
यस सर।
अगर मैं 5 years की बात करूँ जहाँ पे हम सॉर्टिंग करते हैं सेटिंग ऑर्डर करते हैं शाइन करते हैं उसको सस्टेन और स्टैंडर्ड करते हैं तो ये चीज़ ऑलरेडी मुझे अपने किचन में दिखाई देती है जहाँ पे मेरी सिस्टर है ब्रदर ने ऑलरेडी ये इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है मुझे अगर शुगर ढूंढना है या चाय की पत्ती ढूंढना है तो ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती थी उसका फिक्स जगह है ऑलरेडी तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि एक्सीलेंस जो जर्नी अभी बिजनेस प्रोफेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं वो वुमेन्स ने कई सालों से अपनी लाइफ में अडॉप्ट की हुई है तभी ये प्रोफेशनल एंड पर्सनल लाइफ इतना अच्छे से बैलेंस कर सकते हैं राइट इसको ही आगे ले चलते हुए आज का जो सेशन हमारा प्रैक्टिकल सेशन है जहाँ पे हम प्रैक्टिकल जो कोच है जो बिजनेस ड्राइव कर रहे हैं लेडीज उनके साथ हम टॉक करेंगे बात करेंगे उनसे जानेंगे उनकी जर्नी कैसी रही उनके क्या चैलेंजेस थे और किस तरह से उन्होंने ड्राइव किया तो इस सेशन को फर्दर आगे ले जाए उससे पहले एक छोटा सा हमारा एक शॉर्ट वीडियो है राइट उससे हम थोड़ा आज का दिन का शुरुआत करते हैं आज का सेशंस का राइट रिक्वेस्ट टू वैभव प्लीज स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो क्लिप फर्स्ट there is setting there's some technical error Oh, थैंक यू ब्रो। तो आज का जो वुमेन्स डे का जो टॉपिक है जो राइट, वुमेन्स इक्वालिटी इन द कोविड-19 वर्ल्ड। हमने ये एग्जांपल भी लास्ट ईयर पूरा साल हमारा शटडाउन में न्यू चैलेंजेस हमने फेस किया, राइट। तो इसमें पूरा वुमेन्स का ही था कंट्रीब्यूशन फ्रॉम वुमेन। तो इसका ही एग्जांपल यूएन की तरफ से एक वीडियो जारी किया है, वो थोड़ा हम देखेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि हाउ वुमेन कंट्रीब्यूट ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉकडाउन एंड कोविड-19 सिचुएशन। सबको ऑडियो इसमें आ रहा है? Is anyone audible?
No, I'm not getting any audio.
No, I'm not getting any audio.
Okay. Just let me just recheck. Screen out. Okay, I think there is some challenges in video playing.
We have to skip this.
We have to skip this, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
Actually, sorry. Why would please skip this?
Request Radhika, please start our presentation.
Request Radhika, please just presentation slide. And we'd like to introduce our guest speakers.
I'm really thankful to
I'm
all
really thankful to all
guest
of these guest speakers
and for their confirmation
and prompt time
and giving their
and valuable time.
Radhika, please
take over further.
Good afternoon all and happy Women's Day.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
First of all, I introduce Ms. Samoli Shah, Director of Prashant Group of Industries. Prashant Group is a leading group of India in the field of being preparatory. Group is providing one-stop solution for world-class machineries through various European and US collaborations. Ms. Samoli Shah is having bachelor degree in mechanical engineering and dual master degree in information technology and business administration from USA. She has won the award of Businesswoman of the Year from Divya Bhaskar. After studying and working in US for about 8 years, she joined Prashant Group as a marketing director. Prashant Group has grown by more than 100% in last 10 years. The group is exporting its products to over 30 countries. Today, the group is well known for its innovation, automation, and quality. Motto of Prashant Group is to provide world-class products at appropriate price. Apart from business, Ms. Amoli is involved in various social activities. She is supporting a school in Bihar for underprivileged children and also supporting a trust involved in upliftment of tribal community in South Gujarat. This is a small introduction of Ms. Amoli Shah. Ma'am, I would like to question you about your okay. Describe the three characteristics about yourself that you believe led to your success in business.
Okay, Radhika. I think there are number of things, but first I would say to be succeed in any business, you need passion. And probably I was very passionate about the work currently I'm doing since my childhood, because it's my father's business. And probably when I was not knowing the meaning of MBA, probably the full form of MBA, at the age of 10, I had decided that I will join my father's business and I'll study MBA. So this is my passion and I really love my work. And I think whatever you love, whatever you do, I mean, if you love something, you can be successful. There is no doubt about it.
Right, ma'am.
Second thing I would say is the exposure. I was lucky enough to get my master's degree from USA. And you know, when you study, I mean, education is one aspect, but you get the exposure of different culture, different diversity. There are students from China, Japan, South America, native US American students. So you get to understand how they think, how each culture is different. And that exposure had really played a very big role, because I am in charge of marketing. And after joining, I think now we are exporting to over 50 countries worldwide. And I think it has really helped me. Even my working in USA, see, when you work for someone, you very well realize how employees think about employer, what could be the different scenario aspect. So I think those things has helped me. And of course, dedication is very important. You should be dedicated in what you do. So I think I would summarize these three things.
Okay. Second question, ma'am. What woman has positively inspired you in your career? And what one lesson that taught you?
Okay. I think without any doubt, I can say my mother. She's a very well educated, extremely intelligent lady. She was working as a professor. And after my birth, she chose to give up on her career. I mean, you know, sometimes I feel that how you can give up on your career, but she chose to do that. And then she was so active. So she kept herself busy in many, many other aspects of the life. I mean, I remember when I was small and I was learning Bharatnatyam. Rather than gossiping with other mothers, she was learning Kuchipudi at that time. And, you know, she has always been a strong supporting pillar. She has helped me in my studies. She has always helped me achieve something. And she was so much involved with a lot of social work at that time. And she achieved excellence in that. So I learned so much from her that, okay, career is one path of your life. You can choose the career, but at the same time, even if you've given up on your professional career, there are many other aspects you can do. And she is doing extremely good social in her social work. So I'm really proud of her. And I think the lesson I learned from her is again the dedication.
Good, ma'am. What can men do to help to achieve equality?
Ma'am, I think, see, this seminar is about in COVID situation, how the balancing and this thing. I would say most of the men really learned how to help women during this COVID situation.
Right.
And they realize that how much women, even if it's a homemaker or working woman, they have the responsibility. And I think COVID has many negative effects, but some of the positive effect, I would say that men has really learned how to be helpful to women. And I think now if I talk about the next generation, this current young generation, I think they know very well how to balance both. Even men are equally enthusiastic about the household work. They love cooking, I think. So generation is changing, and probably men अभी जो बोलते हैं ना कि लड़कों को पराठे और लड़की को कराटे सीखना चाहिए, that is the generation. I think the next generation is.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Next question, ma'am. Why do we need more women in leadership?
Okay, let me ask you, what is leadership? See, leadership is something, first you need to lead yourself, and then you can lead others. If you can lead yourself, you can lead others. So yes. I think in every woman, that is inherent characteristic that they are leading themselves. If you see, if it's the woman is homemaker or the professional. Suppose we talk about homemaker. They know how to balance, how to take care of kids and husbands and in-laws and social pressure. And I mean, women are doing amazing job, even though women is working professionally, still she takes care of lot of things at home. She'll attend kids parents meeting also. She will go to the parties also. She'll do everything. So I think leadership is something inherent, and we have seen a lot of examples also. If you talk about Sunita Williams or Kalpana Chawla or Nirmala Sitharaman or Indra Nooyi or even Elaben Bhatt of Seva. I mean, I can give you so many examples that whenever women are in leadership position, they have excelled. And another thing is the work environment will definitely change.
Yes. Okay. How officers and family members can play key role in the women equality?
Yeah, ma'am. See, in office, in home, we have seen that, okay, if women are working, then both men and women should have their equal role. In office, I feel that, because I see some discrimination still in the work environment, which should not be there. Because if I believe that both are having same roles and responsibilities, then women should be compensated equally well. And depending on the performance, depending on the responsibility, it should be, the compensation should be given. I'm talking just out of the line, but I think most of us has seen this movie. Of course, it was movie, but this Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl. And I think it's amazing movie. When she joined the Air Force, it was her subordinate, even the boss, everybody was the way discriminating her. It was really, of course it's movie, but probably there must be some truth behind it because it's biopic. and she was really a true leader, and how she performed. I mean, so this is something everyone needs to understand, that women has amazing capability and they should be treated equally.
Yes, ma'am. How would you address the cultural issue that from the background of the gender pay gap?
Yeah, ma'am. Suppose if we talk about India, there is women's position is very different in metro city, and if you compare to villages, it's very, very different. See, we talk about this International Women's Day. I think today my entire mobile is flooded with WhatsApp messages praising women and these that. I mean,
Yes.
we shared the success stories, which is really good. But when we think about the women who are working in interior villages, their situation is very, very different. And I think the education is the only thing which can play a big role in this. If the girl child is well educated, if she can get the further education, higher education, if she is on her own, financially dependent, then situation can definitely change. It will take long time, but situation can change.
Yes, right, ma'am. What tips you would like to share with emerging industrialists and entrepreneurs?
Okay. I think I'll just few advice. One thing, have your vision, have a clear vision what you want to achieve, and then work for it. And basically, business should done with a lot of integrity and ethics. Don't go for any short-term benefits, because if you do things right with right passion, money will follow. So that's all.
Okay.
That's the advice I would.
And last up list, what's your International Women's Day message for all of us?
Okay. See, I think it's a simple message. Just have trust in yourself, believe in yourself. We have amazing capabilities. You should learn how to get the respect from others. Live your dream with all other responsibility. Of course, that will be there. And one last thing, see, as a mother, you should raise your son the way you should imbibe the values in him, that he respect other women, either his wife or friend or colleague or whatever it is. If that will happen, then I think our society will be an amazing place.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much, and wish you a very happy International Women's Day.
You too, ma'am. Vaibhav, can you please change the slide? Our next speaker is Ms. Priya Kanchini Gupta. Yeah, Priya, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Manager EHS at GSCL Limited, a group of company of Delmin Bros. Ms. Priya Kanchini Gupta, manager at EHS at GSCL Limited, is responsible for EHS compliance and integrating sustainability in the core of the business. She has been working in the soda ash industry from last 9 years. Her core and functional experience lies in industrializing sustainability governance framework, non-financial reporting, environment impact assessments, stakeholder engagement, supply chain sustainability, integrated management systems like QMS, ISO 9001, EMS, ISO 14001, OHSMS, ISO 45001, and strategic EHS intervention. She holds degree in environmental science and technology, PG diploma in industrial hygiene and safety.
Yeah, thank you.
Ma'am, I have a few questions for you.
Please shoot. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me.
Okay, Priya ma'am. Describe the 3 characteristics about yourself that you believe led to your success in business.
See, in my career, my three traits which helped me a lot is determination, a strong willingness, willingness to innovate each and every time to innovate new things, and last is the third important trait of mine was sincerity. It's sincerity and a positive approach.
Okay, ma'am. Uh, what woman has positively impacted, inspired you in your career? And what one lesson she taught you?
So definitely on the top of my list is mother, as Amoli madam has shared, her inspiration. So my mother is also my source of all or whatever I'm now. So it's all because of my mother, and she has taught me a lot. And other person who has inspired me is Kiran Majmudar. Kiran Majmudar is, as we all know, Kiran Majmudar is a woman entrepreneur, worldwide famous, and she's in the Forbes list also. The most important thing which I got inspired is that she always believes that greatest opportunity often arise at the toughest time. So that inspired me a lot. And Kiran Majmudar has built and sustained growth for her organization has sustained growth of all 30 years. Since 30 years she is performing well, and she's directing the largest biopharma company. And quoting her as a visionary leader, she has definitely inspired us all that how you can lead and lead an organization which believes in innovation, growth, and uh, which believes in that. So she is one who has inspired me a lot.
Okay, ma'am. What do you do on regular basis to celebrate your woman self?
See, I celebrate each and every milestone I achieve. So whatever milestone is achieved in my life, I celebrate each and every moment. I don't miss it. Yeah.
Great, ma'am. Which strategy do you adopted to make workplace more effective?
See, I have established a team and set a definite goal. So we've all followed that, and I basically believe in good communication strategies. I communicate and believe in empowering others. I believe in evaluation of progress time to side, so that I also try to evaluate progress side to side, so that I'm updated about that. To create a good working environment, we have to be very proactive, and also always strive for continuous improvement. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. How an organization can adopt EHS best practices?
They have to build a positive culture. Culture behavioral part is very much important. So
Right.
what they have to do is they have to create a culture around that, a good culture, where everybody believes in that. We have to encourage and motivate people towards a good good EHS practice. And as I've said earlier also, we have to stay proactive, and we have to drive for the continuous improvement. We have to set goals, and we have to go towards it. And yes, the most important part in developing good EHS practices, we have to develop a process. We have to develop a process which can manage all the changes. That is very much important. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. We would like to know more about you. So, ma'am, please share some words on this occasion.
On this occasion, I just want to say, I want to give a message that do it, and you never know who may you be inspiring. So be positive and be empowered.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Vaibhav, please change the slide. Our next speaker is Miss Mittal Pankaj Palala, Management Representative, Detox India Private Limited. She is currently Management Representative at Detox India Private Limited and taking care of forest management systems for effective implementation and sustaining the same. She is MSc Environment Science and Technology and also gold medalist. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, you please share some moments with us on this occasion.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to thank Mr. Himanshu Pancholi for organizing such a beautiful celebration meet on the day of Women's Day. And also thanks to both speaker, Priya ma'am and Amoli ma'am, for delivering the most precious things on the day of Women's Day. Today's theme is woman leading the business with excellence. I think there is not any particular day to celebrate as a Women's Day. For me, every day is a Women's Day.
Right.
Because not only a single day started with support of women since wake up from morning to sleeping at night. Each and every aspect of our routine is incomplete without role of woman. Because she takes care of all the things in house also, in the office also. She knows how to balance work and workplace at professional life also.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ma'am, we have a few questions for you to support and inspire you on your career path.
Ma'am, in my career, I especially thanks Miss Kinjisha Patel and Ankita Bhairavia, who is my senior at Detox Corporation Private Limited. When I was joined as a fresher, as an environment officer, she both support me in so many aspects, from teaching me how to upgrade myself in the professional manner when I was a fresher in this field of environment. Then in family, my father who has more trust on me because of who I am right now is because of him.
Obviously, ma'am.
Yes,
Share a woman's empowerment.
Yeah. At the time of my convocation at Vidyanagar in 2014, when our CM Anandiben Patel awarded gold medal to me. At that time, in my mind, as a lady, she can handle entire nation. So why we not?
Yes.
From that time, I have something in mind to have to do my work best in my profession, in my environment field. So being a successful today, I have a successful position in the field of environment.
Okay. Which challenge you faced in your personal? How do you tackle it?
Actually, in professional life, I get much of support from our MD, my other person. In family also, I have support from my families, in-laws, my husband also. And जब हम मतलब प्रोफेशनल लाइफ और पर्सनल लाइफ की बात करते हैं तो मीन्स लेडी हमको सुबह जल्दी उठना है, घर का काम करना है, बाद में फटाफट आके ऑफिस में मीटिंग अटेंड करना होता है, तो इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू एट अ टाइम. And in which my in-laws, my father-in-law, mother-in-law who support me a lot, and at the workplace also my colleague, our senior most management also helped me a lot during my critical situation and professional aspect also. So I would really thanks to Mr. Chetan Contractor who support me in my worst situation, and also my colleague who take care of me even in my maternity. And I enjoy the culture at Ditos Group very much.
Yes, ma'am.
I recommend कि every employer have a culture like Detox Group, because यहाँ ऐसा लगता है कि we are like a family. We are like a family. जो भी कुछ सिचुएशन आता है, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आता है, तो सब मीन्स हेल्पफुल है कि मतलब कुछ भी हुआ तो एवरीबडी इज रेडी टू हेल्प टू यू. Currently in Detox Group we only have 4 ladies at Detox Group, and we all 4 are enjoy a lot in Detox Group.
Great, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How officer and family member can play key role in the woman equality?
मैम इसमें मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि जैसे ऑफिस का है, तो ऑफिस में कलीग मेरे को ऐसा ट्रीट नहीं करते कि मैं एक लड़की हूँ, वुमन हूँ. दे ट्रीट इट लाइक मी आई एम अ बॉय.
Right, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, all. I would request Mr. Bharat Bhai.
Let's try.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Radhika.
Radhika is our leading lady of GK Engineers.
Radhika is our leading lady of GK Engineers.
Once again, thank you very much to all our guests today.
Once again, thank you very much to all our guests today. Right?
But आज के जो तीनों सेशन गेस्ट ना, एक
तीनों सेशन से ना
देखा जाए तो पूरा ये प्रैक्टिकल रियल टाइम एग्जांपल के साथ
देखा जाए तो पूरा प्रैक्टिकल रियल टाइम में एग्जांपल के साथ सीखने को.
मुझे एक जो मैडम की लाइन एक अच्छी लगी.
मुझे एक लाइन जैसे कि अमोल ने पूरा जो हम एक्सप्लेन किया, मुझे एक लाइन एक्सप्लेन किया, मुझे लड़की को कराटे उड़ने का टाइम is actually
दूसरा आज का ही हम एग्जांपल देखे तो आज हमारे साथ जो प्रिया मैम है, राइट. जब उनसे कल ही मेरा बात हुआ था, agreed on this, and आज उन्होंने डिलीवरी सेशन किया with their small baby. ओबी उनके साथ है और साथ में सेशन भी हमें तो ओबी उनके साथ है और साथ में सेशन भी हमें ये डिलीवर कर रहे. तो ये लाइव एग्जांपल हमें सीखने को मिलता है. देखो ये दो तरह से किस तरह से मैडम ने, राइट. थर्ड जो था मैडम ने जिसने शुरुआत की, मैडम ने बोला मित्र मैडम ने बोला कि शुरुआत ही हमारा दिन का वुमन से और खत्म भी वुमन से होता है. दिन की शुरुआत भी हम चाय से शुरू करते हैं और रात का दूध भी हम मैडम के साथ पे. पूरा दिन की शुरुआत हम वुमन से स्टार्ट करते हैं और खत्म भी करते हैं. तो ये तीनों जो मैडम ने हमें जो आज डिलीवर दिया है, फूड्स दिया